done it again. We broke our drip. I was just trying to plant some flowers and just broke my drip line. So let's see what we can do to make this situation better. So here we are. We have our coupling in place and good to go. Man, what happened here? Looks like a whole section of our drip is missing. So for this situation, we're going to be doing something really similar, but this time we're going to be using 2 couplings instead of 1. All right, so as you can see here, we filled our space with a piece of drip tubing. We're all set to go again.
Next, we'll be repairing a damaged section of subsurface drip irrigation that's been installed beneath turf grass. These are common in parkway strips in newer homes, which is the strip of grass between the sidewalk and the street. First, let's spot the leak. You might notice oversaturated soil, standing water, or water bubbling through the grass while the system is running. Now on to the repair. First, cut a clean square around the leaking drip tubes. Carefully remove the sod and set it aside for reinstallation. Remove just enough soil to fully expose the damaged tubing. Cut out the damaged portion with a drip line cutter using clean square cuts. You can get these at hardware stores. The repair is going to be the same as the flower bed areas we covered. Just shimmy in a drip coupling to reconnect the tubing until it's nice and secure. Before replacing the cut sod, run the system and inspect the repair site for leaks. Once verified, go ahead and replace the sod in its original position. Pack it in as evenly as possible.
Stay tuned for more tips and solutions on how you can fix your drip, among other sprinkler issues that you might run into at your home.